Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashwika. Welcome to GLOBO ARTE magazine page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. In today's video guys, I'm going to talk about how to promote your Redbubble shop or how to promote your print on demand shop. One free method and one secret method. Nobody is doing it. In fact, very few people are doing it. So I'm going to talk about this one secret method, and this is a way to get more sales, and it's a free method. You don't need to pay for anything. So I'm going to talk about that. So if you're interested, then let's get started with the today's video guys, and don't forget to hit the smash the like button. I would really appreciate that, and subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, so whenever I upload more such videos guys, you'll be getting notified about it. Now, I have already made a video talking about the top 7 ways in which you can promote your Redbubble or your print-on-demand shop. You can check that video out in the card section above, guys. And also, I have made a video talking about how to promote your Redbubble shop onto the Pinterest, and that was the step-by-step method to promote your Redbubble shop onto the Pinterest. You can check that video out in the card section above, guys. In today's video, guys, I'm going to talk about one secret method and no one is talking about, guys. And I was like, when I was sitting on my desk, and I was kept thinking how to promote and all those, like, what is the other way to promote it, and also the things that we can control more. So I came across one method. Also guys, I have a free guide, that's a 60 plus niches free guide, which you can download right now and can start make your own print on demand designs and can sell on these websites. So if you want that free guide, 60 plus free niches guide, the link in the description box below. And also if you want the free graphics for making your print on demand designs, I have a complete bundle, you can say 49 plus bundles in which there are so many graphics, 49 plus graphics, which you can download it completely for free, and you can use them to make your own print on demand design. The link of both these things are in the description box below, so don't forget to download that. Okay guys, that secret way to actually promote your Redbubble shop is email marketing. Now, many of you guys would be, what is the email marketing? Let me explain you guys. You provide some freebie, or you provide some value to the people in exchange of their emails, and then you're gonna send them a sequences of emails, and you're gonna promote your stuff as well. Along with that, you're gonna provide value to those people, and 100% guys, you can control these you can control the sales. You can control that because you know that these people are there on your email list, and you can send them the email and they're gonna click on that email. You can check the analytics section, and then you can see what's your conversion ratio and how you can do it, guys. Now, it's a brilliant way to promote your Redbubble shop or your Teepublic shop or your any other print-on-demand shop, guys, because you no longer to dependent on to the social media platform or the Pinterest or to the Redbubble search engine or anything like that. You have 100% full control on your promotion. This is the magic of the email marketing, and through the email marketing, the conversion rate is much higher in comparison to the Redbubble, in comparison to the social media or in comparison to the Pinterest or any other thing, because these people subscribe to your email for getting personalized emails from you, and in those emails you're providing more value to these people, and then you are actually providing the value, and by that you are telling those people that you have this shop and you either are having some discount or some offers, or just in general you are uploaded the new design, and then they can click on that and they're gonna purchase that thing. And email market is really awesome, guys, especially if you're starting with your own print on demand shop. What I really mean by that, if you want to make a full-time income from your print on demand business and you are really serious about that, then email market is in one tool that is really in your hand that you can control. Because if in the one day YouTube is gone, the social media platform is gone, the Pinterest is gone, then how are you going to promote your print on demand shop, your Redbubble shop? How are you going to do that? That's the secret of the email marketing. You have the emails, you have the people emails, you control that. You have the full control over it. So if you have your if you have a print on demand shop, that is, you have connected your Shopify or your Wix website or your Word website or even your Etsy with a Printify, Printful and Gooden, and you have your print on demand shop and you are taking things seriously, then the email marketing is really an important asset. Now I'm going to talk about how to collect people emails and a little bit about how to send them the email. Now guys, you know that I started with my first online business, that was my online art magazine, and I control the full sales of my own online magazine because I have the people on my email list. Yes guys, I started with that only. I didn't upload my magazine onto the Amazon or into Etsy or any other online marketplaces. I control fully the sales of my online magazine. The customers that are coming and purchasing my magazine are coming from my email list. This applies to every online business that you are doing, and it's really important, isn't it? Because if something happens to these social media platform or these Pinterest or YouTube and all these things, you have your control. You have control in your hands, and you can get the more sales for your online business and all those things. So talking about the emails, how are you going to collect the emails? Guys, you're going to collect the emails by making up a landing page or making up a lead magnet. There are so many email softwares out there. You can use the ConvertKit, the MailChimp, the MailerLite, the Sendinblue. You can use any software out there, and for a few thousand subscribers, you have free option. Like I started with the MailChimp, now I'm going to proceed with the MailerLite, but I see that MailChimp in the very beginning, if you're a complete beginner, it's quite friendly and they're so much easy. Like you have free option up to 2,000 subscribers, and after that if you have more, then obviously you need to pay them to have more subscribers on your list. But it's really awesome to get started completely for free. You can sign up on the MailChimp, you can sign up on the ConvertKit. I guess they have the 1,000 emails first free, and then it's the paid option. And MailerLite is also like they have the first 1,000 and then it's the paid option. So you can choose whatever email software you want to go with that, guys. But you can start with completely for free, and then you're gonna make that landing page, or you're gonna just make a lead magnet. And what I really mean by lead magnet is a way in which you are giving some people some incentives or some value, either in the form of a freebie, you're providing some free stuff, or either you're giving some offers, some discounts, or either you are telling people to subscribe to your email because you're going to send them each week emails that is highly valuable and the emails that they are really interested in. So this is the form of the lead magnet. So you can open up your Instagram account or Facebook account or whatever account you can use. You can use these social media platform to collect the emails. So if you have a Redbubble shop around some particular niche, for example, you have a book niche, you are making the designs related to the book niche, and you know that you have the criteria that these are the ideal customer, the people who are more into reading and who like the reading stuff, who is like kind of like more bookish and all that. They are interested in purchasing your designs, they're interested in purchasing your product. So what you can do, you can open up an account onto the Instagram, or even you can open up an account on the Pinterest, and then you can tell the people that you're going to send them each week new valuable information in their emails, or you're going to provide them offers, you're going to provide them discount. For example, subscribe to my email for getting 10% discount on my shop. It's just the one example, guys. There could be various ways in which you can collect your emails. Don't just spam don't just send the spam messages to the people telling them to give their email or something like that. Don't do it, guys, because if you're doing it that way, you might get few emails, but the open rate for that emails would be very less, and which will actually going to affect your conversion rate. So provide value to the people. Tell people that you're going to get them to 10% discount, 20% discount, or you're going to send them emails each week, and then they need to subscribe to your email newsletter, so that you're going to then send them the offers, discounts, or coupons, or freebie, or anything like that. So you're going to collect the emails by the lead magnet. You can use the social media platform, the Facebook groups, the Pinterest. You can also use the Quora. You can use the various different methods on which you know that your customers, your ideal customers, are hanging out. After you have taken the emails for the people, in exchange of the value you're going to provide in their email newsletter, you're going to send them the 10% discount. Now you need to send them a sequence of emails each week. And what I do, like I tend to do the 3 emails or 4 emails. I'll provide complete value. You can provide the complete value. Suppose, for example, if you're having a book niche, you are making the designs related to the book niche, then you can provide the value people related to the book, talking about different types of motivational books or educational books or fiction, non-fiction books, and providing them the value in the email newsletter. That is like 3 to 4 emails in which you are providing the more value, and then you're going to send one sales email in which you're going to tell the people, if you're interested in that, I have a new Redbubble shop or I have a print on demand shop, you can purchase that, you can use this code, or you're going to get the 10% discount or something like that. And then you can see what is your conversion rate, how many people are actually clicking on that, how many people are going into purchasing your designs and all of that. This is a long-term strategy. Nothing happens overnight. Keep that thing in mind. Nothing happens overnight. It's a long-term strategy, but you control your customers. You control everything about your business if you are focusing on the email marketing. And if social media gone away, you don't need to think about that, because you know that you have your customers, your ideal customers, or your emails. You can anytime send them the email and all that. So leave a comment below, let me know if this video is useful to you or not, because today I introduced one new aspect to promote your Redbubble shop, to promote your print on demand shop. Think about the email marketing. Have you ever tried the email marketing? Leave a comment below, let me know. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video, guys, and see you for the next time, guys. Take care. Bye.